Hello. Today I'll be talking about my Walmart mods. I'm just gonna be talking about Walmart mods that I won't release because of various reasons. So, this was the original Walmart mod, and probably, um, yeah, it's pretty vanilla, pretty plain, pretty boring, I guess. I don't actually spin this very often. It's not made off of my interest. Like, you don't make this. I made a tutorial as basic as possible just to like set foundations. Like this mod, if you follow the tutorial, you will learn how to cut bodies. Clean a super tip. Um, cut cleanly, over grip. Basic construction, Ivan construction. You feel me? And then hopefully you'll also learn that how to modify your mods to spin towards your preferences, because this is not even to my preferences. You shouldn't be following the tutorial to a T to match like my mod. Like, for example, if you were gonna, like, usually people try to replicate or make mods because they like the spinner or something like that. You shouldn't do that for me, because nobody's seen my spinning, really, right? It's supposed to be really modifiable. Shorten it down, add some different grips, some other decoration, stuff like that. Um, change it up, change the tabs, two signals, something like that, something cooler. Um, because really, it's just something. It's not, you don't make it to get my mod. You follow the tutorial, you build the mod because you want a good mod. That is with accessible parts that you can buy locally at your local Walmart. Not a good mod. Not like something whatever you go buy out, right? It's just a foundational mod, pretty basic. This is the original, which I probably won't ever do a detailed tutorial because it's kind of, I can just explain it here, and also the parts aren't really accessible to anyone. Um, Specifically, maybe people in Indonesia, because these pens are from Indonesia. These are Faber Castell marking pen. I got it from some guy whose name I actually forgot. Funnily, but well, he was a cool guy. Sent me these pens as freebies, and I use them. Um, as you can see, they're kind of weird shape too. No tape, actually, but very cool. Way longer tip than super tip, for example. This is the reason this mod was why I kind of like inspired this mod. Of course, very similar. So this is sort of the original Walmart mod, even though none of these parts are from Walmart. You can get these G2s at Walmart though. I think these might be fake G2s though, but I don't know. This random grip, I'm not sure what grip it is, but it's a pretty cool grip. You got signals inverted that are flush with the end of the body. See, you see the white is the body. Basic overgrip. You got some rings for decoration. The text I did not wear down. um, and also it's also relatively a little bit more even than super tip, but there's still a little bit of a difference. It's pretty cool. It's way shorter than the actual one, right? I did show the picture of this one in the tutorial, but I might as well clarify what it is. This is the original, and this is the one I actually spin. Then we have V2 of Gary Walmart mod, or just a different Walmart mod, I guess. Not, yeah, V2 Mark II, I guess, Model 2. As you can see, it kind of resembles Stagear, which is the original intent. This also was a replica Stagear, Manoa Stagear. This actually uses Sta though, so this is kind of cheating. At my local Walmart, we have a Miniso that is built inside. So technically, this is kind of like a Walmart mod, but it's it kind of just it's really not for everyone. It's not going to be found in everyone's Walmart. You feel me? You're not going to get Sta there. But for me, I was pretty lucky. I picked these up. It's kind of scuffed because I never actually found a way to connect these two. This is actually tape, and this connector is kind of shit. It kind of like wiggly around. Like you can look, it's clearly bent right now. Um, it's not very fun. Over here, the cap design is the main artistic principle of this mod. I basically stole this idea from some other mod, some other Stargear clone. Basically, this here, this white little bar is actually a cat from, or a back plug or something like that from milk liners, zebra milk liners or mild liners. You have an any ball stripe, G2, any ball, signal that is not inverted. And as you can see, it's a pretty cool, pretty awesome. If I had a better barrel for it, I'm never gonna release this because this is really unpolished here. This connector, I don't spin this ever because of this flimsy ass center. I just have it still as this, as like a principle or an idea that if I finished, it'd be pretty cool. Then again, I don't ever finish it because I don't think I'll have a good idea of how to make it clean, or I just need to mod better to have a cleaner center, rather than just have this taped up together. Yeah, not very unprofessional. Yeah, that's really it. This is also my other mod. Again, cheating, because this uses this highlighter, this twin highlighter from Miniso. I don't know if I have any of those pens left, and my Miniso actually stopped selling them. So, but it's pretty simple. Again, signals as a tip. We have Z grip, any ball, more any ball, a whole. Again, based off Manoa Reime. So I actually kind of cheated again because these colors aren't accessible to my Walmart. Therefore, but you do get any ball, but it just wouldn't be this color. This is a very cool mod. I'm proud of how it looks. It's obviously a clone, of course. And it doesn't feel too super well. I don't really spin it too often, but it looks really nice. I think I could have chose better any ball stripes for the ends here. As you can see, you kind of see this shape a bit more, a little bit kind of weird. So I should have chose different stripes for these black any ball maybe, because you can see this line and there's like a hump, which I'm not too big of a fan of, but that's all right. It's pretty cool still nonetheless that I made this with pretty much parts I can find at Walmart. But that's really it. I won't ever release it because it's kind of scuffed too. It doesn't spin too well and isn't as customizable as this one. So that's really it. Thank you. I think I'm handing these out anyway, so that's why I'm making this video. That's it. Thank you guys. Bye.